Hi, this is my new outdoor dairy for the parrots. Come on, I'll show you what we build inside. Okay. That's how it looks like. Have a look. These all are the cages, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cages, and they are for different parrots. These are the ones for the red and green, the big ones, because they are big. And if you see, we made like a proper setup. We had one perch here. This is another one. We covered this perch with the metal wire, so at least they can't destroy the fence. These are the ladders. If you can have a look, these are the proper ladders, so that they can go straight into their nest box. And we had another ladder here. That's another one that takes them down. There's a couple of area for them to play, and that's all the sawdust we put, so if they do any stuff here, so it doesn't smell. So yeah, now, and we will clean this every day. And yeah, and we got some more here. This is the other one, and can you see